everyone. Today I honor to speak about a highly significant and emerging topic in current science and technology. Machine learning assisted molecular design of polymer materials. This field stands at the powerful intersection of artificial intelligence and material science, transforming how we discover, design and manufacture polymers for modern application. Insights demand for faster innovation, suitable solution and high performance materials. Machine learning is emerging as a revolutionary tool in polymer research. Polymers are an essential part of everyday life, from plastic packaging and household goods to medical implants. Aerospace component and fixable electronic polymers shapes the modern world. Traditionally, developing a new polymer with specific mechanical, thermal or chemical properties has been a slow and expensive process. Scientists released heavily on laboratory-based trial and error method, which often took many years to achieve desired result. The process required respected synthesis, testing, modification and validation. In many cases, discovering a commercially visible polymer could take more than a decade. For example, the development of high-performance polymer like Kevlar, which is used in bulletproof vest and aerospace component, took years of laboratory experimentation before achieving their required strength and durability. Similarly, biodegradable plastics such as polylactic acid used in compatible packaging and 3D printing required extensive research and testing before commercialization. The example shown how traditional polymer discovery was slow, expensive and heavily dependent on repeated experimental trials. Machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence, in transforming in conventional approach instead of depending slowly on physical experiment. Researchers now use computational models, trained or exciting data to predict the properties of new polymer structure. Machine learning algorithms learn patterns between molecular structure and their physical properties, enabling scientists to forecast performance before actual synthesis. This dramatically reduces time, cost, and materials waste in research and development. A real-life example of this information can be seen in the automobile industry, where machine learning models are now used to predict the strength and heat resistance of lightweight polymer composite before manufacturing resin composites. By using machine learning simulations, companies can quickly identify materials suitable for drivers, pumps, and interior panel without physically testing hundreds of variation. This has significantly reduced design cycle and improved full efficiency through lighter materials. The process of machine learning assisted molecular design begins with data collection. Large data set containing polymer structures, chemical composites and experimentally measured properties are gathered from research database and laboratories. The chemical structure are they converted into numerical representations such as molecular fingerprints or graph-based decrypts so that algorithm can process them. Machine learning models such as neural networks, random forest and graph neural networks are tried to recognize relationship between molecular feature and properties like tensile strength, glass transition temperature, conductivity and biodegradability. Once tried, their models can screen thousands of hypothetical polymer structure and identify the most promising candidates from experimental validation. For instruction research, used to graph neural network to predict the glass transition temperature of novel polymer, which is critical for application in electron and aerospace. Instead of synthesizing each candidate materials in the laboratory, the models evaluates thousands of molecule structure directly and shortlist only the top performance ones. This approach has reduced experimental work and accelerated innovation in advanced materials. Globally, leading research institutions and technology companies of innovating heavily in AI-driven materials discovery. Organizations such as Massachusetts Institute of Technology and IBM Research as pioneering work in polymer informatics and computational material science. Companies like DeepMind have demonstrated the power of AI in solving complex molecular structure problems, inspiring similar approach in polymer research. Their advertisement align with broader initiatives such as material acceleration platform, which is aimed to reduce materials discovery timelines from decades to just a few years. India too is strengthening its AI and materials research ecosystem collaborative research project in leading Indian Institute where AI tools are being used to do design polymer membranes for water purification and desalination by predicting permeability and durability through machine learning models. Researchers are developing cost-effective and high-performance membranes to address water-centered challenges. One of the most significant current application of machine learning assisted polymer design in suitability. The world faces a growing plastic pollution crisis and there is a great demand for biodegradable and recyclable polymer materials. Machine learning helps to design eco-friendly polymers that maintains performance while reducing environmental impact. Researchers can predict them degradation behavior, recyclability and life cycle performance even before manufacturing the materials, enabling greener innovation. For example, AI-assisted research has contributed to the development of biodegradable packaging materials that decompose naturally under computing conditions. Combines a new exploring machine learning guided polymer blends that maintain in strength of conventional plastic but break down one more efficiently in the environmental reducing long train plastic waste. In healthcare, machine learning designed polymers are contributing to advancement in drug delivery system, tissue engineering and biocompatible implant by predicting how polymers interact with biodegradable system. Researchers can develop safer and more effective medical materials. In their energy state, AI accelerating the development of polymer electrodes for next generation batteries and fixable solar cells. In aerospace and automotive industries, lightweight and high-strength polymer composites designed with machine learning improve full efficiency and structural durability. In the healthcare state, machine learning designed biodegradable polymers are being used in controlled drug delivery system. Their polymers usually release medication inside the body at the predictable rate. Machine learning models help predict duration, speed, and compatibility with human tissue, reducing risk during clinical trials and acceleration regulatory approval. Deposit is immense potential. Machine learning assisted molecular design face certain challenges. High quality standardized polymer dataset are still limited compared to the other scientific field. Polymer systems are inherently complex due to variation in chain length, branching and morphology which makes modeling difficult. Additionally, machine learning models require careful validation to avoid overfitting and ensure reality. Therefore, machine learning does not replace laboratory experimentation, rather it is complements and guides experimental research more effectively. Look as at the future of polymers design in likely to innovation generative artificial intelligence capable of possibly entirely new polymer structure with target properties. Integration will quantum chemical simulations and automatic robotic laboratories. Something called self-driving labs will future acceleration discovery. The combines of AI, big data, and advanced chemistry expected to create a new era of intelligent materials, trialed for suitability, performance, and functionality. In fact, some advanced research laboratories are already using automated robotic system connected to AI models that design, synthesize, and test polymer sample with minimal human interaction in the self-driving laboratories. Continuously learn from experimental data and refine predictions, significantly speeding up to cycle of material discovery. Machine learning assisted molecular design of polymer materials represent as a paradigm shift in material science. It transforms slow and trial experimentation into predict data-driven innovation. It is reduced development cost, accelerate research timelines, and promotes sustainable materials engineering. As we move towards a future shaped by advanced technologies in integration of artificial intelligence, with polymer chemistry will play a crucial role in addressing global challenges in energy, healthcare, and environmental suitability. Emerging this interdisciplinary approach will ensure smart materials for a smart and more sustainable world. Thank you.